With the energy transition, electricity has become the most important form of energy, currently not only used for house appliances and lighting, but now also for cooking and heating up the house. Here you can see the electrical cabinet, which forms the center of the electrical system. The electricity generated by the PV panels on the roof and the facade comes in and is either stored in batteries or converted so it can immediately be used inside of the house, utilizing the sun as a sustainable energy source for the functioning of the house. All devices that control the climate systems are grouped together on the bathroom wall. There is a panel for the ventilation, for the heat pump and for the energy usage. The ventilation panel has an integrated CO2 sensor which controls the ventilation automatically, based on the air quality inside of the house. The second panel is a thermostat that controls the heat pump and in this way the heating inside of the prototype. These two panels together are there to enable the user to create a comfortable indoor climate. More technical information of the ventilation system and the heat pump are available on an online platform. This data can be accessed by the user, the inhabitant, but also more importantly by the housing association, allowing remote monitoring of climate systems to provide information of the technical equipment and for predictive maintenance. The third panel on this wall is the display panel that serves as a direct interface between the user and the building. It primarily communicates information about the current energy situation, the time and the room temperature. This includes historic and current data of the energy production, the energy demand and the amount of energy that is stored inside of the batteries. This building management system automatically controls the climate systems with the goal of efficient building operation, taking energy prices and solar production into account. Depending on the situation, an intuitive traffic light indicator will stimulate the inhabitant towards a more sustainable lifestyle. A green light means overproduction, a great time to increase the loads. Yellow means that everything is in acceptable bounds, while a red light means that the user should reduce the loads in order to save money on the energy bill. This simple intuitive system makes sustainability understandable and approachable for all. You have made it to the end of the journey of our prototype tour. Make sure to check out our social media channels for more information. If you've enjoyed our online tour, make sure you vote for some.